Yeah, I would split this sort of like into two, right? One is like generative AI and chatbots. Those are the one piece, right? That is always there. That gives you information and all that. But end of the day, you want to see the business outcome of it, right? That's where we have to go towards, right? So I mentioned already the sales prediction. We are in the pilot for sure. I can see for sure we will have kind of more and more kind of results out of it. Business outcome will be there for sure. To add to it, I want to see, we are just trying, we have not implemented that, but what we see where we have like the data, what we are looking at as our sales itself can go wrong. What I'm saying is like, suppose I have a product sent at 10 o'clock to the shop, but that was sold at 12 o'clock. And we are talking always on the sales projection based on that number. But we didn't go into the next level of drilling deep down, like saying 12 o'clock it is over, then my shop is at up to 11 o'clock or 10 o'clock, then I lost a lot of window, so I have the potential of selling more as well in that window. So those kind of things can be plugged in through the AI. That's what we are trying to go into the next kind of steps. And also the other thing is like Ashley and every Anmol, everybody talked about having the right product, right? Maybe there are places where we have the product more, but that is we are not selling there, which is closest to this store. Why not we move them, replenish them from not like from the source location, but nearest location also? Why not we can move and then cover that area? So those are what I see. Disappointment, I would say on disappointment, I won't say disappointment, but that is value add as well. But more and more use them in a business outcome. And also in current world, right, people are looking at models. How much is the model accurate and all that? Model is always there, that is going to give you, but what is the outcome you are going to get to the business, right? That is the key where we have to focus on. That's what we are looking at, choosing those use cases, which is really sales prediction is the case, have the right product at the right place. These are the things what we look at. And in future, maybe we'll look at like sourcing from which place in what apt rate, right? Those could be the good one, which we are really looking at as well going forward.
I just hope you guys are not planning to use AI for preparing your dishes in restaurants, because I think they are very good without any AI. Please don't use them.
We can use that feeds whatever for sure to other cases like how hygiene it is and all that. We have a lot of things which we are doing in parallel, but on the real business value also we have to think on those having the product right. First you have to have the product and make the customer service good, right? That is a key. Other things can do for sure. You will have a lot of feeds and then you'll be able to do so for sure.